from the exercise 7.2. We have already completed 13 questions. Now we will solve the 14th one. So integral of 1 divided by x into log x to the power m with respect to x with the condition that x must be greater than 0. So we have to find the integral by substitution method. Substitution method in the sense all x must be in the form of t, right? So here we have x, 1 by x, log x, dx, all the terms or functions must be in the form of t. So for that, which one must be equated to t? Whether we should select x equal to t, or whether we should select 1 by x equal to t, or whether we should select log x is equal to t. So this is a confusion, right? Which one must be equated to t? So is there any relationship between 1 by x and log x? Yes, right? If we differentiate log x, we will get 1 by x. So if we differentiate log x, we will get 1 by x. We have to select this log x is equal to t. So let log x is equal to t. So now we will differentiate because we need to replace dx also. So differentiate with respect to x. So if we differentiate log x, we will get 1 by x and this will be dt by dx. So now we will cross multiply 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Now in the question, so 1 by x dx can be written as dt, and in the denominator log x can be written as t, and we have t to the power m. Right? Now everything is in the form of t. Now this implies integral of t to the power minus m with respect to t. So why we are writing like this? So that we can apply the formula, that is integral of x power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So this implies t to the power minus m plus 1 divided by minus m plus 1 plus constant of integration. Now this implies, so minus m plus 1 can be written as 1 minus m by 1 minus m plus c. Now what is the value of t? That is log x to the power 1 minus m divided by 1 minus m plus constant of integration. So this is the required integral of the given. So we completed the 14th one. So here you should remember one thing. In the formula, integral of x power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. But integral of x to the power minus 1 dx is nothing but integral of 1 by x dx, which is log of modulus of x plus c, right? So here m will not be equal to 1.